Welcome to Motivation Mondays. I'm Cerise, your soul coach, and today we're going to talk about success in this brief video. A lot of people want to be successful, but they get stuck working a 9-to-5 job and then feeling unfulfilled. There are a lot of people out there that have an entrepreneurial background and mindset, and they just don't know how to put it in together to become successful. First, let's look at the meaning of success. Success means the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. There is a thin line between success and failure, which a lot of people don't take into consideration, and they think, oh, I failed at that. You didn't fail. You simply did not achieve your expectations, but you still managed to get some experience. You see, there is the fine line. So success is basically gaining the accomplishment of the aim or the purpose, meaning that when it becomes successful in one's mind, you have gotten to the point of your expectation. And that, my friend, is exactly what you want to get to when it comes to success. But then the next question is, how are you going to get there? Well, we're going to do it right now. We're going to name 7 steps that can get you there. Now, these are not in any particular order. Trust me, as an entrepreneur, I have tried all of these, and with having many different businesses, some of these steps I did not use in every business. But these are just some steps. All of these may apply to you, your business ideas, and your business aspirations, or maybe just 3 of them. But we're still going to go through them, and I want you to write them down because they're all valuable, no matter what your business formula is. Number 1, just get started. Everyone has a starting point. That's the key. You could be tossing and turning with a wonderful idea every night, rolling over thinking, oh my gosh, I got to do this, I got to do that. Write them down. Categorize them. If it is, for instance, let's say you are someone who wants to run an automotive business, you're a mechanic. Well, you have to get together in your mind what your business name is going to be, what your business logo is going to be, what colors are going to represent your business logo, what your slogan is going to be. Now, the second point, embrace failure. Failure is never the end. Remember what I had just mentioned. Failure is an indication that you have done something and that now you have experience and that now you can draw upon that lesson and either move forward from it or have it just keep on dragging you down. Remember, use it as a stepping stone and not as a way to say that you've done bad. Look at it as I've done that and move on and step up from it. Now remember, these 7 points are not in any particular order. Let's go to 3. Problem solve every day. Problem solving, again, is coming up with what it is that you want to put in order. A lot of people, they think, okay, I want to sell bracelets. There's wonderful bracelets that you want to sell, but you don't know who to sell them to. The problem solving is establishing a target market. You can do that with hashtags on Instagram. Now, I do teach business models and I do teach people one-on-one during my mindset coaching sessions how to do that. So I don't want to get into that right now. These are points that you can, with yourself, get through. But if you want further coaching, I can definitely help you with that. 4, work. Don't just dream. Work. And the word work, I really don't like to use because it seems like a negative word. But I use create. Create something that you know you can build upon. So let's say you are somebody that likes to sew and you are very good at making things. Create something that is a target market. So here in the Dominican Republic, bathing suits. A lot of people wear beautiful bathing suits. If you sew, you might want to put together a few nice bathing suits. And then what do you do with that? You start working towards getting the fabric, the design. If you already have your design and you already have your supplier for the fabric, then after that, what you want to do is look for your target market. You have your target market, you continue to create. Give names to the bathing suits. Maybe one bathing suit is thong style, and you can call it the thong. You know, there's all different types of ways that you can create your business. Don't look at it as working, because it is not. It is your business, and it's passion. It's something that is success to be discovered in your life. 5, start where you are. It's important to start where you are. Too many people say, oh my gosh, they dream, and during their dreaming state, they think, only if I had $1,000 right now to invest, this is what I would do. You don't have $1,000 right now to invest? Find someone. Find somebody that you can borrow some money from. Not always the bank. Maybe you have 5 friends that you can borrow $200 each from. Maybe you have no friends, and maybe you have no money. And then what can you do? You can still plan your business and promote it online. Maybe you will be able to find angel investors or someone that believes in you, and they can also help you. That is starting from where you are, not from where you want to be, from where you are right now. If you want to sell 20 bathing suits in the next month, and you don't have enough money for the startup of the fabric and sewing, then start with 1. So you buy the materials for 1. Let's say it costs $5 for the materials. And then you decide that you're going to sell it online for $20. Well, you're making a $15 profit there. Out of that $15, you buy more material. But you don't just buy material for 1 bathing suit. You buy material for 3 bathing suits. And so on and so forth. And before you know it, you are selling a lot more. So that brings us to number 6. Don't allow money to be an obstacle. That's a very common one. A lot of people look at the lack of funds and they become very frustrated and they become sad and they think, oh gosh, there's no startup money. How can I start? There are ways around it, just like what I said just now. Get investors, go online, see if you can find a partner, sign a contract to say that after a certain amount of money is made, you're going to buy them out. And then also in that contract, if no money is made, then it's a risk that they made. It's an investment that they made, and you're not promising to pay their money back. But if the business goes off the ground, then they will get their money back with a certain amount of interest. A lot of people out there will invest in you and your idea if they believe in you. And sometimes they don't even need any type of big presentation or conversation. It could be your personality and your drive in life that they believe in. Or it could be that they just came across some money and they don't have a business formula themselves and they just want to invest that money somewhere because they believe in the idea. 7, build a team of mentors and creative collaborators. Now, this one here is really what your personality is. You may not need a mentor. You may be someone that is good at what you do and you don't need someone to bounce anything against. You don't need a sounding board. All you need is the first 6 points or a few points and bam, you're good to go out the gate. And that is quite often how businesses are created. Believe in yourself. That's the number 1 step. Okay, let's go through these 7 steps again before the video ends. And if you need any more information, like a personal one-on-one session, just give me a shout and we can get more into specific detail about your business. All right, 1, just get started. Everyone has the starting point. 2, embrace failure. Failure is never the end. 3, problem solve every day. 4, work. Don't just dream. 5, start where you are. 6, don't let money be an obstacle. 7, build a team of mentors and create collaborators. Now remember, your business may not need all 7. Your business may just need a starting point, because you may be your business. You may be a motivational speaker, and all you need is a microphone and a YouTube channel. And that's it. You see, every business is different. Every idea is unique. The key is to get started. Get started today. And every single day after that, you are a work in progress, and your baby is your business, or your business is your baby. You have to remember that. Keep working, keep striving, and remember, the most important thing is failure is experience. It doesn't mean that you lost out. It means that you learned a lesson. Keep moving. I believe in you. Believe in yourself. And that is the key to success. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cerise Fairfax. I'm a soul coach, and I'm also a writer. And clearly I'm a vlogger here on YouTube. But what I really want to drive home to you guys is that I am here for you. Let me know how these tips work out for you. I love encouraging people and inspiring them to be the best that they can be. Do you hear that rooster in the background? He is my cameo. I live in the Dominican Republic, so he always likes to make an appearance in my videos. He's like, yes, that's right. There we go. I have relocated to the Dominican Republic, and I do business for myself. So I'm not just speaking. I am also living proof of what I'm talking about. So pay heed, take my advice, and if you need any further advice, hit me up. Give me a shout. I'll help you out, and we can talk more specifically about your business formula and the model that you can work with to gain more success in life. Huge hugs, loads of love, big blesses. And there goes the rooster again, all the way from the Dominican Republic to where you are. Guys, take care of yourself.